Hello all the warriors, this is Roy. Welcome to Arena. Today we're gonna unboxing this Toyota GR Yaris and the item number is 1A097. So let's open it and see what's inside. Let's go. Before we start the video, if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, you can press here for subscribe the channel, and also don't forget to press the bell so every time when we have a new video you will know it right away. Thank you. Okay, so let's start from the body first. So the body is the plastic card and color white, and of course it's not like the one we used to, like we had it before, the Raleigh style, and the Raleigh one has a big spoiler but this one doesn't. Okay, so here next gonna take a look at the stickers. So this is the stickers for this card, and also it comes with some the number stickers for you, so you can see if there's your lucky numbers you can put it on. And this is the instructions, and it has your pick, like the card, the pictures on the instructions. So this is looks pretty cool. Okay, and then next we're gonna talk about the chassis. So the chassis is the VZ chassis, and the material is ABS. Okay, and this is the parts, same color, black as the chassis. Okay, and next we're gonna check the wheels. The wheels is the narrow, medium-sized wheels, and the material is PP. Okay, and then this is the tire. So the material for the tire is the soft tire. Okay, and the gear ratio it has is 3.5 high-speed gear, and also come with some plastic bearings, and there's also like gear bearings for you, the plastic one. Okay, so this is everything for this unit. So right now let's take a look at it, how it looks like after we build it. Okay, so now we know how it looks like after we build it. So for this car, if you're driving the Yaris, and don't miss the chance to get one of this for yourself. Alright, so this is today's video. I will see you next time. Bye!